Hey y'all, today I want to show you a neat thing that I got, and that's the VUDECO Auger Drill Set in red. So with this set you get a large auger drill bit and you get a small auger drill bit, and then you also get these handy garden genie gloves which make it perfect for digging in the dirt. So these will connect to any drill 3/8 inch or a chucked drill 18 volt or greater, and they are super easy to operate. They're the perfect thing for drilling holes in the garden. They're a must-have for any gardener. I'm going to show you how it works. Simply place it in your dirt, and then there you go, and you have a good hole for planting stuff. So I think that if you're a gardener or you know a gardener in your life, this would be a great set to purchase for them.